Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello Cambly learners. My name is Zaytoon. You can call me Zay. And I am a tutor on Cambly. Today you will be learning about when to pronounce the letter G as a J or a G sound. In English, the letter G is sometimes pronounced as a J sound and it is sometimes pronounced as a G sound. Can be confusing, but hey, I'm here to shed some light on it. Let's get going. For example, the word gem has a J sound. The word bug has a G sound. So how do we identify this? Of course, there are some rules for you to follow. Number 1. When the letter G is followed by the letters E, I, or Y, it has a J sound. For example, GE as in the word gel, GI as in the word giraffe, GY as in the word gym. Number 2. When the letter G is at the end of the word, meaning the last letter of the word, it keeps the sound. So it is pronounced as a G sound. For example, as in the words egg, beg, and wig. If you follow these simple rules, you will be able to know the difference. You will simply know when to use the J sound and when to use the G sound. Below, find a few more examples of the different sounds. As in the words bag and badge. As in the words jug and judge. As in the words wag and wage. Remember, you can also find that the letter G is pronounced differently in the same word. The letter E is what changes it. For example, in the word garage, the first G is pronounced as a G sound, while the last G is pronounced as a J sound because it is followed by the letter E. Now, as usual, there are some exceptions to the rule. Number 1, the words get, give, and giggle should be pronounced as a J sound if we follow the rules, right? Yes, but these words are pronounced with a G sound purely because they are not original English words. They come from German. Number 2, some Hebrew names that should be pronounced with a J sound are Gideon and Gilbert. I hope you had some fun learning with me today. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Cambly, Cambly gives you instant access to friendly native English speakers like me. You can take English lessons anytime, anywhere, right from your phone or your computer. Schedule your next lesson with me using the link below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.